Hi all, this is a tutorial for the Ultimate Budget Planner. Now as you can see, we already give you the number of instructions, detailed instructions, how to use the model. Please read carefully through them to understand how the model works. Now I will show you how the model works in real life. To start with, we go to the settings. As you can see, there are a number of different options for us to start a year. Net worth goal. We can define whatever number we want. We can further select the currency of our interest, and then we start typing different categories for our income, bills, expenses, savings, debt, and investment. It is as simple as type my job in the column category and the expected salary of 6,000, which will be received on 5th of each month. And that's it. You can use the recurring bills, the recurring money outflows and inflows such as bills and debt. You have the column date, which means that the rent of $2,500 in this case will be deducted on 8th of each month. If your rent is on 10th of each month, you just simply type 10th of each month. That's it. Now moving on to the accounts part. This is where you have an option where you have several bank accounts. So therefore, you just type account 1. You can have further on checking. You can define the category as you wish. Joint, savings, different accounts, and then you will define the starting balance, your current balance that you have in your bank account. Let's say it's $7,500. Then everything else for the columns money in and money out, please do not change anything. These are automated columns that will be then calculated on the basis of transaction tracker. Moving on to the transaction tracker, you will see that there are different columns: date, amount, category, subcategory, and account. So to start with, these are all very important. And these are a must in order for the tracker to be completely functional. Insert the date, enter the amount, as simple as this. Choose the category, income, choose your subcategory, and choose from which account or to which account this money will be either inflow or outflow of your money. As you can see, we can select, if we choose account 1, that means that on 1st of January 2023, $5,000 will be added as an income to account 1 from your job. As simple as that. And the best part of that is that when you start moving through the monthly overview, there is no manual input required. Everything is calculated for you automatically. You just need to look and analyze the data. The best part also is that through the annual dashboard, you can see what actually happened. We also give you within each month whether you met your target versus the expected. And we also give you a couple more graphs, which I will go right now. The model also features savings and sinking fund. So these are integrated into the model and into the transaction tracker, which means that saving goals are defined in the settings tab. So if we choose an extra saving goal, all we need to do is type savings for, and our monthly budget, let's say $50 that we want to contribute. What will happen right now, as you can see, we start to have savings here, savings for. We give a start date for this goal, and overall goal, let's say it's $1,000. Starting amount, let's say we had $100 already received, and then the average, it's the transaction tracker which counts. So for an average to appear, all I need to do is I need to go 30th of October 23. We put $50 into our savings, and then we choose savings for an account 1, account 2. Now let's move on to the savings. As you will see, we have now actually have the average of the contribution towards the goal. As simple as that. It will then calculate the month and the date when this is due date, when you achieve on the basis of the average of putting $50 per month. Moving on to the smart calendar, as simple as by the click of it, you will then be able to select on which specific dates, and these dates are defined in the settings tab. So let's say our rent, as we have seen, is on 10th of each month. If we want to change it to the 15th of each month, we just type here 15, and then the smart calendar will automatically calculate rent here. And this is done for the income, bills, and debt. Moving on, we do have an extra 2 models for you. Very importantly, debt management. Select the date, select the starting month, and then in this column, let's say it's the student loan, the balance 5K, annual interest, let's put 4.5, and then this is what you need to enter here: name, balance, annual interest. You can further have a custom order by which you want to clear the debt, or the creditor name and any further notes that you wish. You will then be given an option of the total minimum payment. Column G is automated, so please do not change anything. And the key part is that you need to add more than the minimum payment required. Let's say we have $100 to spend on the debt that we on a monthly basis, and then only thing that we need to do is to change avalanche, snowball, and the custom. The custom is defined here in this column, and as you can see, there is a dashboard on top. So at the moment, as of now, if we choose the snowball strategy, we'll clear it up on 31st of March 2047. If, however, we choose the avalanche, you will see that the model will start calculating this. And it's as simple as that, we're going to be 31st of May 2045. So it saves us about 2 years. And this gives you the most efficient way to clear your debt. Finally, you have the net worth. And the net worth is the one that you're actually going to define the net worth, how much you want to achieve throughout the year. This is done in the settings tab. We'll provide the detailed breakdown on your assets, cash equivalents, investments, others, and the same for liabilities for the short, long term, and as well as the other ones. The best way to do this is then by defining cash and then start updating your assets and liabilities on a monthly basis. So for example, the savings account in June grew from 4,000 to 550. You will see right now how this has actually changed to 550. Then if we move on to 6,000 here, our savings account has been increasing, which is a good thing. And actually we ended the year with 20K. Sorry, apologies. We should add 20K here, and you'll see the trend. So update only the columns for all the assets and liabilities. These are the columns that you need, columns B to N. These are the only ones that you need to work on. That's it. Do not change end of the year, not the trend. These are automatically. No changes to assets and liabilities. Just work through the assets and liabilities. And this is very much it. The best part is to go through the instructions in detail, see a couple of videos, repeat this video if you wish to, but this is a very logical, intuitive model that has a great level of automation for you in order for you to have a minimum manual input required. So thank you.